You are going to love the 2026 S8. The S8 is one of Audi's flagship sedans, the top of the pile, the king of the mountain. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, dual moonroof, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.